Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. We're still down here at Dresser for our Midwest weekend. Well, we just got a call again. Apparently both Blake and Jeremy got both the side-by-sides stuck. So we're heading out there to see if we can pull them out.
We're gonna need the snatch block. We're really stuck.
I'll leave you unsupervised.
Decided to go out for one more ride on the side-by-sides, and I ended up getting the Kawasaki turtled, and as they were trying to come around me to pull me up, we stuck this one. So we had to call that one. Last obstacle of the day.
Last obstacle of the day?
And we summarily stick them both.
How bad is that tire undercut on that rock?
Bad.
You can't go backwards either.
Yeah, we can't go backwards either, Eric.
Wow.
We can't go back because of the rock rail
Yep.
is catching on the rock.
You can blame
So-
it on him.
Right.
What that calls for is good old-fashioned high lift jack and go backwards.
No.
You can pick it up and then go backwards.
Yeah. Go off of that maple right there.
That's what I'm thinking, and pull it over. Yeah. Yep.
Oh, you just couldn't
It's his fault.
hook it up to the
He got
arm
stuck
and just
first.
pick the whole front end up.
Follow Blake.
Well, he got stuck
Maybe.
first. That's where I was supposed to
If he
go.
backed all the way up here, he could just hook that, just pull it straight up,
Pull it straight up.
and then go backwards.
Well, that's what I was trying to climb, was that big rock right there. And he went high to try to go around it because I couldn't get over it.
He just didn't go high.
Hi.
So you gotta drive like your vehicle.
Hi, honey.
Like we all have to do. Go away and then
Put a battery in it?
when I was turning it off, so that battery. So girl, take gas to 30 feet.
Oh, my daddy got stuck.
Big rib one, but it really worked well. You have to see some of these people do it. They got really through it. Drive it through. To get a square foot of road.
I was supposed to get 30 feet. Yeah, well, that thing weighed about 200 pounds.
Don't touch anything, honey. Wow, he really put that in there. Nope.
Oh wow! When did BSF get a zip line?
Yeah. Hey, we've done that.
That's what I
I
did
bet
on
you
my
have.
wedding. That's what I did on my wedding. I ziplined on my wedding up to the truck.
Actually sounds fun.
It is fun.
Yeah, zip lining off the tow truck.
So this one is stuck on the rock with the rock guard. Can't go anywhere. And then the rear tire is buried underneath the rock. So we're gonna have to snatch block it to a tree,
Yeah, that second
To
maple there.
bring the ass end
That's
around
straight in the- Yeah, that one, yeah.
to pull it out.
Sure.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yep.
That'll pull it over. As long as it doesn't break off.
If that big ass hook hat, you can.
Yeah, I'll take
it.
Or do you want something?
There's a.
You want another soft shackle? Jump up in it.
He's better over top or behind?
Right there.
That tire is buried.
It sure is. And the lights are bright.
Yeah. He can't go back either because the rock rail's catching on the other side of the rock. Jordan, see if you can go forward a little bit. Easy. Oh, whoa, 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 you wrapped it around. Eric, back out. That wasn't easy. That was like a 20-year-old. You shot it too fast. What are you going to do with these kids these days? All right, drive out. All right, switch it to the front of the other one.
You stuck too?
Oh, yeah. That's how we got stuck first. I got stuck. He was going to come around and pull me off.
Okay, now we gotta get the other one out.
Jeremy, don't let me roll over.
needed a little help.
I needed a lot of help.
That might have almost been worse than yours.
That was more than just a little help. Thank you, Abby. You're the best camera girl ever.
Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.